Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet as a freelancer? Do you dream of earning a steady income that allows you to live the life you desire? If so, you're not alone. Many freelancers face the same challenges when it comes to increasing their income. But fear not. In this article, we will share 5 proven strategies that can help you earn up to $1,000 a week and take your freelance career to new heights. Specialize in high-demand niches. One of the most effective ways to boost your freelance income is by specializing in high-demand niches. By focusing on industries or skills that are in high demand, such as web development, content writing, or graphic design, you position yourself as an expert and can command higher rates for your services. Research industry trends and identify areas where there is a shortage of skilled professionals, then tailor your services accordingly. Build strong client relationships. Building strong client relationships is crucial for long-term success as a freelancer. Happy clients are more likely to provide repeat business and refer others to your services. Take the time to understand each client's needs and goals, communicate effectively throughout projects, and deliver exceptional results consistently. Going above and beyond for your clients will not only increase their satisfaction but also lead them to value your work more, resulting in higher paying opportunities. Leverage online platforms. Online platforms have revolutionized the way freelancers find work and connect with clients from around the world. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com provide access to thousands of job opportunities across various industries. Create compelling profiles showcasing your expertise. Actively apply for relevant projects regularly while maintaining competitive pricing structures based on market rates. Utilize social media marketing. Social media platforms offer immense potential for freelancers looking for new clients and opportunities. Develop a strong online presence by creating professional profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Share your work samples, engage with potential clients through valuable content and networking groups, and leverage social media advertising to reach a wider audience. By positioning yourself as an industry expert on social media, you can attract high-paying clients who value your skills. Expand your skill set. To increase your earning potential as a freelancer, continually expand your skill set to offer additional services or specialize in complementary areas. Identify emerging trends within your industry and invest time in learning new software programs or acquiring certifications that are highly sought after by clients. The more versatile you become as a freelancer, the more opportunities you'll have to command higher rates for your services. In conclusion, increasing your freelance income is not an impossible feat if you implement these proven strategies consistently. Specializing in high-demand niches, building strong client relationships, leveraging online platforms, and social media marketing efforts are all essential steps towards boosting your earnings significantly. Additionally, expanding your skill set will open up new doors of opportunity for higher-paying projects. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication and perseverance. Implement these strategies into your freelance business gradually while tracking the results along the way. This will help identify what works best for you personally. So go ahead. Take action today. Start implementing these strategies one by one, and watch as they transform both your freelance income and overall career trajectory.